Hey peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and today we are going to make this potato look like a Disney character. Let's see how that goes. So, a friend sent me this challenge. It's like this meme off of, I don't know where it originated, honestly. I think from what I know, it came off of Facebook. It might have started somewhere else. Who knows? And it actually looked like someone had erased a different prompt and put in Disney character, but that's what I got. Disney character. So, um, so she sent me this challenge, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta make a video out of this one. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button because it really helps me out to know that people actually like what I'm doing. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so getting started, the whole point of this challenge is to take this drawing of a potato and make it look like a Disney character. So that's what we're doing today. For this, the point of it is that people are supposed to be able to guess what it is after you are done drawing over the top of it. So this first one, I did three total, so brace yourself. This first one I had to do a reference for my family and friends because basically there's a video of me as a 5-year-old at the top of my slide singing Colors of the Wind at the top of my voice, and me and my sister arguing back and forth. She was saying I was silly, I was saying I was not, because clearly I knew what I was talking about as a 5-year-old singing Colors of the Wind at the top of my voice. Yeah. So I couldn't resist. I had to do Pocahontas. So overall, I mean, okay, I can't really take myself too seriously as I'm like talking about drawing over a potato. But that's okay, because if you can't laugh at yourself, then everybody else will just laugh at you anyways. It's great. It's great. It's a funny challenge. It's funny. I think everybody needs to try this at least once. So, just for all of you, I have gone ahead and I have provided a link in the description of this video where you can download this little drawing meme challenge and try it for yourself. So, this next one was a really short one, but it was also really fun. Now, what I want you all to do is wherever you see this video, whether it's on YouTube or Facebook, or if you want to tag me on Instagram, I don't care. Do this challenge at least once and then tag me somewhere. My handle on Instagram is just Sparrow Springs, or you can post it somewhere and provide a link in the YouTube video here. Or if you see this on Facebook, post a picture in the comments somewhere, like, show me what you do. I want to see what everybody's doing because this is hilarious. It's a potato. Come on. Like, potato, Disney character. The last one, I think, will probably be the hardest one for people to understand because, you know, I wanted to do, like, okay, a Disney heroine, and then we had kind of a Disney side character, and then, like, another kind of sort of Disney side character, but, like, a guy. And to me, the guy Disney characters are harder to draw because I feel like with the females of the Disney world, you can tell what they are pretty much by their hair alone. So the last one was a little bit more of a challenge, and like I still think it's fairly obvious what this last one is, but maybe I'm not as good as I think myself to be, which is okay. You don't need to think that I'm that fantastic, because I don't think I'm that fantastic half the time. So that's why we have to do stuff like this. So thank you for watching. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And try this for yourself. The link is in the description. Go download it and try it. And once again, my Instagram handle is just Sparrow Springs, or if you see this on Facebook or here on YouTube, wherever you see it, try it, post it below. I want to see what you guys think. Now, let me also know in the comments, could you tell what each of one of these were right from the get-go, or was it not super obvious. So that's all. I'll see you later, peeps. Also, I'm not sure if anybody caught this, but the last one was Flynn Rider. And I had to add a funky looking nose because it's an ongoing joke in the whole movie that they can't ever get his nose right on the wanted posters. So I drew a very bad nose. Story behind that. Okay, bye.